Hello students, this is Manisha Thoman and today we will discuss P block elements. Today we will discuss P block elements. My dear students, P block elements are those elements in which last electrons means the valence electrons filled in p orbitals are called P block elements. In our periodic table, we have six groups of P block elements. Group from group 13 to 18 are called P block elements. They are in the periodic table in last part. We have periodic table in last part. These P block elements present. Here are six groups which are called P block, that is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Here group 13, the first element of group 13 is boron. That's why this is called boron family. In carbon, that is carbon, 14 carbon, that is called carbon family. Nitrogen family. Oxygen family. Fluorine, halogens or fluorine. These are called group 17 elements are called halogens. And last group, which is start from the helium, but helium is not considered in the P block elements because it contains only s electrons. So this element is present in the P block segment, but it is not considered as P block element. These group 18 group elements are called noble gases or inert gases. These gases found in nature in monoatomic form. These are monoatomic gases. Rather than these gases, this group gases, all the other gases found in the diatomic or triatomic form, like oxygen, chlorine, nitrogen and all other gases are found in the diatomic form or triatomic form, or tetraatomic means polyatomic form. But group 18 gases are called, elements are found in the gaseous form. Noble gases are found in the monoatomic form. Okay, because their last configuration is completely filled. Now we are going to the electronic configuration of these group elements. Electronic configuration. So dear learners, the general electronic configuration of this group, this part P block element is start from 13, that is NS2, NP1 to NS2, NP6. Means if we are talking about group 13 elements, that contains NS2, NP1, 14 group elements, NS2, NP2, 15 group elements, NS2, NP3, 16 group elements, NS2, NP4, 17 group elements, NS2, NP5, 18 group elements, NS2, NP6. So these six groups general electronic configuration is because all group 13 elements contains 3 valence electrons. These contains 4 valence electron, 5 valence electrons, 6 valence electrons, 7 valence electrons and 8 valence electrons in their outermost cells. So this is the general electronic configuration. If we are talking about the oxidation state or oxidation number, Here last in this group which is 13 group, in this 13 group we have 3 electrons in its valence shell. So the most favorable oxidation number is +3, except +3 group elements of this group also shows different other oxidation states also, but most favorable oxidation state is +3. Here that will be +4 or -4, +4 or -4, but this group elements form only covalent bonds. Next 15 group, that is 5, that means -3, basically -3 or +5. Here -2, -1 and 0 oxidation state, because its octet is completely filled. It contains all the completely filled electrons in noble gases in group 18. So these oxidation number is 0. इनका ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर क्या होता है? 0. तो यहां तक आपकी आई होप की समझ में आया होगा स्टूडेंट अबाउट पी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस वन बाय वन रिगार्डिंग दीज एलिमेंट्स, these group. First of all, we will discuss group 13 in our next period. This is the general introduction, my dear students. So wait for my next lecture in which I will explain group 13 elements. Group 13 elements. Thank you so much. If you like this video, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, लाइक करिए, कमेंट करिए और शेयर करिए. थैंक यू so much students.